My name is Sofia Lyfar, dancer. I'm from Ukraine, and we have already passed 4 lessons. And today, welcome to the 5th lesson of my new project, Bellydance from Zero to Infinity. And today we will learn new movement, Horizontal 8. Let's start from warming up. two types of this movement. First, it's horizontal 8 out, and the second is when we're making it in. Let's start learning from horizontal 8 out. I will make it to the right side first, and first look how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let me explain you. So I'm starting from pushing my back forward. Then I'm drawing a small circle. So actually the horizontal 8 includes two small circles which we had learned in last lesson. So let's make it again. Forward, then I'm making it diagonal, then horizontal, then back, and then I will make a transition of my weight from right to the left by diagonal movement. And now my weight is on the left. Again, so forward, horizontal. When I'm making it horizontal, my right knee is stretching. So here it was bent, now stretching. Then I'm making transition of my weight to the left, and then my left leg is stretching and right leg is bent. And then again to the right. So while my right leg is straight, my left is bent. While my left leg is straight, my right is bent. It's clear, I think. It's very logical movement. And let's make it first slowly. 1, stretch, 2, stretch, 1, stretch. Look, my knees work. It's following each other and it's close position like you know Bellydance movement and also Oriental movements. And also my lower back and belly button is always in. It's very important. It makes my movements having more amplitude. And about my feet are looking outside. That's right position for this movement. And my arms, how you can work with your arms how you like. I'm working here like maybe wave, or on up and then down, or on hips like here. So you can choose your position of your arms. Let's go to horizontal 8 inside. And now about horizontal 8 inside. It's by the same principle. We are drawing two small circles, but now in. They are looking inside. Look how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very similar. Let's make it. I'm starting from horizontal, then I'm making my hip forward, then I'm making a transition of my weight by the diagonal movement, and then with left leg again forward. So again, while my right leg is straight, my left bent. While my left leg is straight, my right bent. The same principle. Let's make it. 1, 2. Right leg straight, left leg bent. 1, 2, 3, 4. My knees are again together, again close position. My feet are looking outside, and my lower back and belly button is in. Are in. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. And arms. Let's make it with arms. So now choose your position with your arms. I will choose here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and now one more and first variation of making this movement. Let's go. Let's pretend that we are making some movements in upper position. So 1, 2, 3, take some waves, and we need to go down. We can make it here and then make a movement. But I think more beautiful, more aesthetic and more elegant will be like this way. 1, 2, 3, And then we are going to the second movement. So, how I made it? I'm going down with horizontal 8. Now let's make it outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm starting making it from red button. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And position of my legs is close. So when I made on one place, it was under the shoulders, normal horizontal, but now it's close. And let's make it inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. My knees are working in that way that we made when we was on one place. And last time with arms going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's pretend that we are making a hip circle that we have learned on the last lesson, on first lesson. You can watch it and learn this movement too. So I was so happy to see you today. It was a beautiful lesson, very energetic. And in next lesson we will learn again something new, something special. And see you!